Yeah, good morning. My name is Pranay. Now we are, uh, let's see our Devops, a simple project. It is a real-time project. How in our organization it will work. So in my organization, we are using AWS Cloud. So currently we are running a couple of projects. In that, I will show how a real-time project will work. For that, we have to log in into EC2 console, like whatever it may be, GCP or Azure. So our organization and we are using AWS. So I'm taking public IP, and we all know aware about how to connect through the putty or Mobextrom with this public IP. And let's connect into the Mobextrom terminal. One second. Yeah, I think you are able to see my Mobextrom. I'm logging already previously logged in with my same public IP. I'm directly clicking on it. So already before previously given password also. So right now we are in tilde directory. I mean EC2 user. We are in EC2 user directory. So we have to go to the root directory. For that, cd space dot. Now we are in root directory. In root directory, ll, we have home directory, opt, temp. These are the main directories we are using. So our project applications are in home directory. So let's go to home directory. Now I'm in home directory. Now ll, the blue color, this blue color highlighted are our currently we are working on this project, faculty dashboard, NAC and NRF. So first let's see NRF. For this, we need a couple of dependencies like Maven, Java, Postgres, database, and Tomcat, web application server for backend. Let me take another duplicates tab. Here, see what are the ports are running. I have one command. Let me paste that. Sorry, some long command. This command sudo ls ipn grep listen. This command is useful to check how many ports are running or what are the ports are running in our terminal. So enter. See, as we know, 22 is SSH command and 111 some RCP bind. So no other ports are running like 8080 Tomcat and Postgres. You know, are you aware about Postgres command? I'm sorry, Postgres port 5432 our Postgres command. So that is the command I will paste here. Command to run Postgres. Actually, we are in weekends we are shutdowning the cloud. That's why I'm restarting everything. See sudo systemctl restart Postgres service. Now Postgres is started. Now let's check the command, port command. See, are you able to see now? 5432. Yes. Now let's start Tomcat also. Go to root directory, in root opt, in opt Tomcat, in Tomcat bin directory. Here we have the start and startup. Here we have the start and startup commands. We will start the application. What is the command to start an Tomcat backend application server? Actually, I will show where the backend file is also there. So this is the, I'm starting this Tomcat application. I will show where the project files are there, how to run those. Just I'm starting this Tomcat dot slash st tab startup sh. Tomcat started, and again check the port number. See, 5432 is for Postgres, 8080 for Tomcat web application server for my project application backend. So let's go to this NRF project. I will show one project. It is a real time and simple project. So initial days we will get some problems how to handle this. Once if you habituated to this, everything complete DevOps will be easy. So here in NRF, I have my files. You know how to get these files from GitHub to here, like git clone, git checkout, and username, password. If you don't know, I will show at the end. First, let me start the project because many of them, even before joining an organization, even I also don't know how to run the application in cloud. It's a real-time project. So let's see first our real-time project. Now I am in root home directory, in root NRF. It is my project directory. So here I'm running my application. So what is the command to run front-end application? npm install hyphen legacy hyphen p hyphen deps. So this command is useful for to run the front-end application. Meanwhile, I will show these ports like Tomcat server. Show you new share and let's come to the Chrome. Here Chrome, I'm opening a tab. Here I'm giving my public IP. $80 for Tomcat. You're able to see? See, I will. If you don't know, I will show in next video how to install this Tomcat Postgres. First, let me show how the real-time project there. Here I given username and password. See, I started Tomcat just now, no? Dot slash startup.sh. My all applications are running. NRF backend, adverse backend, faculty dashboard backend. See, all are in running mode only. If you want to stop, here we can stop directly. So let me go to our terminal, new share, and so here the first command is completed npm install hyphen hyphen. I will give the commands in description or in a notepad. Just remember, just see the how the commands are working. Just see the process. So I'm going to the next command, npm stop. By this command, we can start our front-end application. See, localhost colon. This have to give in a Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge, whatever it may be. This is my private IP address, but I'm running in cloud, AWS cloud. So now this port you can also access. If you open your Chrome and if you type this public IP address and colon 311, our application, our project, you can able to access. Just you can see the what is what in that. So it take a couple of minutes. So let's wait. Now here we can see that the 2254328080. If you give the same command, sudo lf grep lesson. This command is useful to check the what are the ports running in our terminal. So click enter. See 3001 is running. Fine. Yeah. Actually, still we are our development team still working on this. Few others are there. So it's not an issue. The project application will run a couple of minutes. So I think you understand what is what. So let me say from the beginning onwards. First, you have to clone a project or repository from GitHub, and you have to go inside the repository in terminal. Then you have to follow according to your organization, according to which tool you are using. That commands you have to follow. That's it. and it compiled with folders. And let me show this application how this is running. Chrome. See, our backend is successfully running. Same backend also same. You can git clone, git checkout, and git pull. The backend files will come. For backend, we have to type mvn clean install. And you have to start with Tomcat. Then it is started. NRF. Now click. This is my public IP. 3.223.3.http. By this port, you can access http://3.23114.249:3001. Our project application will show you. Tomcat web application server we are using for backend. Basically, to run an application, mainly we need two things: front end and back end. See, our pages came adverse tech. I'm giving my credentials. Faculty.profile, password I given something. It's a top secret. Password is a top secret. So no, I'm just kidding. So this is our front end application. This is our project, like management, engineering. This is our front end project. This is for backend. And let me go to the terminal once more. But if you press Ctrl C, the application will stop. Which application? In Chrome? If you press here Ctrl C, the application will stop. So how to run in background? If you close this terminal, the application will stop. The users and you can't all, even you can also you also unable to access that 3001 this port. So how to run in background? For that, PM2. Check PM2 status. Nothing is there. For this, you have to go to same directory. Which application you are running, go to the directory. cd dot home nrf. Here, our application is there, na front end. Here, one command is there. I will show you. In the end, I will give the commands. What are the commands we are using in real time? So I'm pasting here. PM2 start --- name, directory name, PM2 --- start. So this command is useful to run the front end application in background. So I'm giving my directory name, whatever it may be, my directory name or my application name, my project name, PM2 start -name equal to NIRF. Then click enter. It came to it will run, the status is online. Now if you close this tab also, the application will run forever. NPM is forever. It is a forever command. You have to start PM2 save. Now click PM2 status. Successfully running in background forever. And this is our front end. If you close the AWS, if you close the Linux, Mobextrum, everything, our project will be successfully running. So I will show how to use Docker also. Same command. This let me show you. Actually, currently we are running this project with manually, not manually. So same npm, everything is fine. These commands we have to write in Docker file. Already we are using Docker. Start system ctl. Docker base, there are no containers running because I closed the instance now. Everything is got shut down. So I will show you next video how to run this application with Docker. See, I written a Docker file, then I created an image, From that image I create a container. So it's a simple, that is also simple. I will show in a next video how to run this project with the Docker. So that's it. Let me start my video. Actually, turn off my video. So this is our DevOps real-time projects. Quite simple. I'm stopping the screen. Yes. Thing. This is the DevOps simple project. It's very easy. Next video, we will see how to run this project with the Docker. So currently, to run a project, two things are required: front end and back end. For front end, we use npm, Node.js, etc. Few commands. For backend, Tomcat. We is using Tomcat. For backend also, with the Docker, with the Docker tool, we can run the backend application also. So we'll see next video. We'll meet you, and I will show the how to install Postgres, Tomcat. If you need in next video, we'll see that. So signing off. Or if you want to see how to clone, no. I think in practice we very much aware how to git clone, GitHub URL, then git checkout. That's very simple. So bye. We'll see you next video.